All right, so I see a thumbs down on Mindstorm's Mayhem, 1519. 3609, Duct Tape Dragons. The driver's coming around to the field to look at the robot. All right, we're looking at 4929. Okay, and the referee is calling over the driver for the Duct Tape Dragons. Usually when a referee calls out a team, it's because of the configuration of the robot. And then if it's one of our FTAs, it's something technical. And in this case, the Duct Tape Dragons had their power cube resting on the carpet, on the floor. And the robot has to have the cube above the floor. All right, we're clearing off the field, and the gates are closing up, but we're still looking at 4929, the Maroon Monsoon. All right, 4929 just turned the robot off and on. They had a connectivity issue. We can check to make sure it's the team or the playing field. So we just reset the playing field, and the playing field's fine. Now we're just double checking their laptop. All right, we're good to go. Drivers behind the line. Red Alliance ready. Blue Alliance ready. Time's on the board. 3, 2, 1, power up.
Welcome to the playoffs. We've got the first seed versus the 8th seed, and Red Alliance goes crazy. They've got 2 power cubes on both scale and switch. Now 2 power cubes on the scale as we move into the teleoperated mode. Big Bad Bob score a power cube on the scale. It's 3 power cubes for red on top. The Duct Tape Dragons, the 8th seed captain, moves some power cubes into their exchange. They're going to be able to use some power-ups thanks to those power cubes. Ozcat 6762 moves some power cubes into their own switch. Big Bad Bob making it very difficult for that Blue Alliance. They've pretty much captured the ownership for there. We've got a whole bunch of power-ups, 2 levitates both on the blue and on the red. That seems to be the #1 thing that both teams want to make sure they get first. Red Alliance absolutely dominating both of the switches. They're earning 1 point per second because they earned their own red one. Blue Alliance currently scoring nothing per second, but that 6762 machine wants to try to make it a little bit better for them. Activation of a force by the Blue Alliance. They now own the switch and the scale for 10 seconds. That's going to try to get them a little couple of points there. But now the Red Alliance utilizing the boost. Blue Alliance currently listed as capturing all. Now they don't. Red Alliance earning a whole bunch of points now. 319 moves into that null zone to add 1 more power cube to the point as we reach the final 25 seconds. Big Bad Bob, they move themselves up into position to face the boss. Only a few seconds left. What can happen in the finals? 3, 2, 1. Time expires in this first match. And the score for that previous match. Victory goes to the Red Alliance. They move up 1-0 in this best 2 out of 3. We'll see if what the Blue Alliance can do in their next match.